Okay, so in order to add in Zoom backgrounds for use or as lights in a Toastmasters meeting, you go to this page here. You'll see it here. I can send you the link, of course. So if you go download, you can download this file. And when you do, you'll get all these in a folder. You'll notice there's two sets. There's sets with the globe, and there's there with the normal sort of text logo. Let's assume that you want to use the ones with the globe. So I've put these in a folder here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into Zoom, open up a meeting, and then load them in. So I've got them there for the future. So if I open up my Zoom here, go to Meet Now, it's just a temporary meeting, just to allow you to do this. If you go onto the screen here, you'll see the video. If you click up, you go choose virtual background, and it'll come up with the virtual backgrounds. You've got virtual backgrounds, which are just images, and video backgrounds. We just want the virtual backgrounds. To the right there, you'll see a plus. Click on the plus, go add image, and then you go to this folder. I'm already here. Go to this folder. You have to do them one at a time. Now my advice is to do them in the order that we'd normally use them. So green, yellow, and then red. So I'm going to go green, open, comes in, click in, add image again, yellow, open, plus again, add image, red, open, and there you've got them. So you can leave this open. If you're the timer, just leave this screen open and go green, yellow, and red, and hopefully that helps you. Now when you close now the meeting, if I just close this meeting, you'll go in the meeting. The next time you actually open up that meeting, if we go to Meet Now again, you'll see that you've got the first screen sitting there. Now what I would suggest you do is you again open this up. There it goes, choose virtual backgrounds, and leave this open. Now you can set this to nothing or blur for the meantime, and just use blur, green, yellow, and red.